We can format any text element on our page using the Type panel. And I'll just scroll down so we can see it. To get started, we'll need to click on whichever block of text we'd like to modify. So I'll go ahead and click on this one. Now first, I'll need to highlight the text as well. And the first option we have here is the textile preset. If you click on this menu, you'll notice that there's a number of options. And say, for example, this image was related to a wedding. Well, we could just click on wedding, and you'll get some pretty, a nice looking font there that you could use for wedding photos. And there's other presets to choose from as well. For now, I'll take it back to restore default presets. And what we can do here is we can adjust the font ourselves with any font that's on our computer from this menu. So I'll just go ahead and select Helvetica. And then we can select the style. I'll go ahead and choose bold. We can change the color of the text by clicking on this color picker next to character. And right now you only see black and white, but if you click over here, you'll see the colors pop up, and then you can just click on whichever color you'd like to change it to. We can change the size of the text using this slider over here, and also the opacity of the text. Tracking is the spacing between individual characters. So if you want to increase the tracking, you can move it to the right, or you can decrease it as well. Baseline is the vertical line spacing before the entire block of text. So for example, we can shift the whole block of text up or down. Leading is the spacing between each line of text. Now we only have one line of text, so we wouldn't be able to see much of a difference. But if we had multiple lines of text, we could adjust the leading. Now kerning is the process of adding or subtracting space between specific pairs of characters. So for example, if I place my cursor in between the E and the A, and I go ahead and adjust the kerning, you'll see what it does there. There's also an auto leading and auto kerning option. So if you want Lightroom to take care of it for you, you can highlight the text and click on any one of these buttons. We can also add columns and modify the text alignment using this set of options here. So if you wanted to break your text into two columns, you could. And this way, we'd have two sections. The gutter refers to the spacing between the columns. But in this case, we don't need multiple columns, so I'm going to get rid of that. Let's go back to one. Okay, so that's how you work with the type panel. And in the next lecture, we'll work with the background panel.